We will now apply the film to the window, a roll-up window to be exact. The first and most important thing is you have to remove the protective liner, which is clear plastic. Sean uses the razor blade to the side of the plastic film technique and slowly peel back the film. As you can see, he's spraying the soap solution not directly in a stream onto the film. That prevents you from knocking any dirt and debris onto the laminated surface. Once you peel away this plastic liner, this surface is very sticky, so you want to keep it wet to prevent dirt and dust from sticking to it. And it also allows you to slide it into place once you put it on the glass. Now he applies the tint by putting it in the center first and sliding it as close to all of the edges as possible without having the film laying over. You want it close to the edge, but you don't want it over the edge. If it's over the edge, that's what causes the tint to peel. Once he has it stationary, he does one swipe of the squeegee, which causes the tint to begin to stick. And he's using a Blue Max squeegee. This is actually a newer tool from when we first started tinting. This actually makes it easier. You can apply more pressure and it gives you a cleaner pull of the squeegee. After using that squeegee, he then uses a blue paper towel wrapped around a regular hard card. What this does is it, one, protects you from scratching the film, and two, it actually cleans the film at the same time. And three, this paper towel catches any excess water that is under the film. After applying the top surface, he then lifts up the bottom, sprays the soap solution under the tint again, razor blades and cleans it to make sure there's no debris under there. You can never spray too much water. That just ensures that you're getting rid of all of the dirt and making sure that the tint will slide into place. By this being a roll-up window, it's important that you make sure the window is completely rolled up. In most cars without a frame, this door window automatically goes up when the door is completely shut. As you can see now, he's just tucking the molding and squeegeeing all of the water from behind the tint down into the window channel. And this concludes installing the film on the inside of a roll-up window.